Hello everyone, my name is Nawazish Ali, and I am a civil engineer. This video is to present my final project in Python for CS50. The title of the project is Collecting and Compiling Data from Google Sheets to Excel using Python. This project is only in Python, so I will not explain the details for authorizing and linking the Google Sheets with Python. The data sample that I selected for this project is daily progress data submitted by the site staff and includes 1. Site activities. 2. A machinery on each site, working and idle. 3. Manpower on site, Chinese and local labor. 4. Other details like weather and OHS indicators. The site staff submit this data for each site separately using Google Forms and is compiled in a database Google Sheet, and what I did is to make a Python script that will be connected to this Google Sheet and will make different types of daily progress reports for all the sites active for that day. There are two types of DPRs. 1. Single site DPR, which contains data for each site separately. 2. Multiple DPR, which compiles all the data for all the active sites/all entries in a day in one sheet. Let us start with the script I made. First, we will ask for the input of the date in day/month/year format for which the DPRs are required. Then we format the date in different formats, matching with the database and to write in the DPR, using format date functions and also checking for incorrect entries. Then we will get the worksheet of the database from our database Google Sheet, using the Sheet module and service account. Then we search the input date in the database Google Sheet and import all the data entries for that date, using a list of dictionaries. After that we open an Excel sheet with the empty formats of the DPRs, both single and multiple, and we open it using OpenPixel. Then we change its titles to single and multiple DPR. In the paste single function we make copies of the sample single DPR worksheet for each working site/each data entry. After that, we paste the data into respective worksheets using keys of dictionaries using loops. The entries in the multiple DPR is a bit complicated, as the following conditions will be required to fulfill. All the activities of the day should be entered separately in one sheet. Enter only those resources which were present on site. There should be no empty rows in the DPR. Mention only the OHS indicators which were violated. Therefore, first we need to identify the number of work phases and make the same number of portions in multiple DPR for data entry. Then we need to calculate the number of rows to be entered in each portion, by calculating the maximum of activities, manpower, and machinery. Keep in mind that only the resources available on site will be mentioned in the DPR. Then we paste the data using loops and logic formulas for all available resources and OHS violations. Then we save the file giving the name by the date and day of DPR. Let me make a trial run. Give the input date as February 26, 2023. This is the resulting DPR for both singular and multiple entries. Thanks for watching.